It's so good.
What's up guys, it's Sarah X here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be having a chocolate chip cookie competition bake off. One team has the machine learning chocolate chip cookie recipe, which was perfected by machine learning tactics. So apparently it's like scientifically the best recipe out there.
Yeah, these are objectively the best.
Objectively the best.
For sure.
And then on our side, we just looked up best chocolate chip cookie recipe and we're gonna go with that one. And we're gonna see which one turns out the best by having a taste test at the end. Blind taste test. Team 1, machine learning team, is Patrick and Travis.
Hi Patrick. What up?
We're about to win this. I hope you're ready, Sarah.
And generic recipe, me, Peter, and Tosin is our coach.
2, 1, go!
Wait, why is their bowl so much bigger than ours?
Yeah, it's pretty awful. So, first step from what I remember. Take the water, soften it up, and mix it with the sugar and vanilla extract. It sounds good.
And we got Carrie.
That's the good stuff. That's
So we have to soften a cup of butter.
Yeah, I gotta do that.
So
We gotta do that.
where are the measuring cups?
I'm really bad at What do you need?
So I'm gonna do
Okay, so here's what we do. First, we mix the dry ingredients.
How do you soften it?
430 grams. How do we measure it?
I don't know. We do need something to weigh.
Dude, we need a weigh machine, dude.
Cool. We're just gonna.
Get on this side.
Ballpark it?
Yeah, we're just gonna. Okay, I'm gonna look.
3 cups flour. Wow. What'd you guys say? That's a cup?
No more.
No more.
How's this?
Yeah, that's a cup.
How's this, guys? That's perfect.
I'd say that's a cup.
Yeah, bud, we're about to get it. Okay, we got some sweet mini chips. We got some milk chocolate, baking chips. Which one looks better? Which one looks better? I don't know.
Wait, with the whole
Just put the whole thing in there.
something seems wrong.
So much. Dun, 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 dun.
Wow. Yeah, it looks like pea. Yes, Travis. 3 hogs. Okay. I'm gonna pour this.
Giant chocolate chips and small ones. This is great.
Yo, what do you say this is 1 cup?
Oh, that's a lot of sugar.
Look at all that sugar.
Oh my god, this is so much sugar.
This is like gonna kill people.
Oh, this is 2 cups.
Wait, really?
No, I'm kidding.
How are you guys doing? We're almost done, guys.
Yeah, no, ours is almost baked. Ours is about to come out of the oven.
I got baking soda. Hey, that song, baking soda.
Is this 1
How
cup?
much do we need?
I don't know. And I don't.
Wait, what? We're supposed to have 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, but we don't have brown sugar, so we're doing 2 cups of white sugar.
Baking soda. I got baking soda.
Oh, nice.
2 cups of these babies. I'm feeling milk chocolate.
I don't.
Baking soda.
What are your thoughts on pineapples on pizzas? Leave your comments down below.
How melted?
Just enough so we can mix.
We need salt. Half teaspoon salt.
I saw that. It's right there.
I saw this on the cooking show. Salt really brings out the flavors of stuff.
Including cookies?
Yes.
Oh yeah, we got those
Check out that crystallized salt.
And she didn't even spill any. Sarah put me on the most difficult task. The water.
The egg.
Put it in there. I'm gonna have to borrow that.
Cool.
vanilla extract, hot water. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing with this baby.
We're supposed to put orange extract, but we don't have this. Let's put a tiny extra vanilla extract.
This is the good person?
That would be crazy.
Oh, we need water.
Okay, so butter,
Yours looks different.
vanilla extract, perfect.
Ooh, smell that. Smells amazing. Patrick, I bet yours doesn't smell as good as mine.
Oh, mine smells so good. You guys smell that?
Shoot.
What does it smell like?
Mine smells even better. Hurry up, Peter. Pour it in.
Well, it's only two teaspoons.
Wait, what? Oh, pour the whole thing.
Arm power.
One. Gonna need more than that.
That's it? What?
Yeah, I feel like this one's not really working that well either.
You gotta trust the formula, though.
I know. I don't believe
Trust the formula. That's why it's on the internet.
It wouldn't be true if it weren't on the internet.
Exactly.
There's a close-up. It looks like we have breadcrumbs.
It looks like burrito meat. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it does look burrito.
This looks like cornstarch.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks like. What is this?
Oh no, man.
Oh, at least theirs looks the same.
Who got the where did you guys get this recipe? Roll up in a ball and like.
I think we can do that.
Take over.
Yeah, it'll work. It'll work.
A little bit more water.
Okay, I'll do a little bit more water, but I don't think we need.
I feel like we need more water too.
Yeah, water and more. That's 51 grams of eggs. I don't know what that is. I guess just
51 grams of eggs.
Just one egg.
Oh, we're supposed to preheat to 350
a little bite.
Good, it tastes good.
because it has raw egg.
Yeah, salmonella.
Salmonella.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, good.
You want this?
Thank you.
I just turned on another 20 minutes time. Oh, wait. But I don't know about when that's going off.
Get that butter.
It's like falling apart in my hand.
Wow, yours looks like. This is our cookie, like.
Are they gonna burn?
No,
How do
we
you
just.
10 minutes?
Yo, just set a timer on your phone.
This is our secret weapon right here.
Yeah.
These are gonna be ridiculous.
Yeah, those ones are gonna be good. Those are gonna be the best ones, actually. Objectively, the best cookies ever made.
Why?
Are you seeing this?
How?
Because we put an extra egg in it. And now they're fire. Give me the honor.
Let's do it.
Thank you, brother.
What is that one?
James ordered insomnia cookies,
Yeah,
but
it was
we
good.
knew we were baking cookies. Disrespect.
Gotta give these cookies a home.
Yeah. I got a home. Careful, top. I'm obviously gonna go. Yeah. Hot cookies.
Burn them.
First one, go. And your reactions for the first one.
So good.
That's a good cookie.
The first one tastes good. The first one tastes like a homemade
Tortilla chip.
I like the first one. Yeah.
Going up.
Second one.
Popcorn. It's like buttery popcorn.
soft for sure.
The second one, more rough, but is also embracing the art, you know? Tortilla chip, popcorn. I like both.
But the first one tastes like a real nice homemade cookie.
Second one is a bit underdone, but it has a nice soft release. So I like it.
Not a cookie pro, but cookie number 1 is way better.
Oh.
I think the texture of the first cookie tastes or feels better, but the taste of the second cookie tastes better.
Okay. Overall.
To be a judge. This one came from Napa Valley. The chips came from the Far East. Thoughts, impressions?
Soft, buttery. It's sweet, but not too sweet. It's a good mix of like melty and crumbly. Chocolatey, but not too chocolatey. It's really nice.
It's not buttery enough for me.
This one's harder, crunchier, a little bit less chocolatey. There's like a scone-like quality to this one.
Yeah, someone else said that too.
Don't
No, scone-like.
scone-like.
This, yes, number 1 is a cookie.
Number 2.
Cookie number 2. And you guys need to determine which one's better.
I already know which one's better.
Yeah, and it's been.
Ingredients are cooking time.
This is popcorn. I think things
Number 1,
are
who
very
else needs to tally?
strong.
2?
Oh wow, alright.
Yeah!
So Fidel's actually a chef, so his opinion matters the most.
I was gonna say, I like the one that tastes. I like the taste of that one more. That one, I like the texture, but I'm more.
Overall,
Just, you know,
what would you eat more
I just
of?
whatever your heart says. Your heart says, man. What could you eat more of?
What does your soul say?
But I'm definitely, at the end of the day, I care more about flavor than anything else. Like, it doesn't have to look as pretty. If it tastes good, it's kind of the way I approach relationships.
Right.
Not the prettiest, but if it tastes good, that's what I go with.
Yeah, but texture is really important in all aspects.
Let's go!
And this is cookie number 2.
Who was the normal one? This was the machine learning, so...
Suck it, AI.
This is BS.
I will say the recipe calls for like grams instead of like cups.
True,
So that's
So we're missing the orange extract. I think that would have been really important to put in there. We have the brown sugar.
So in conclusion, my cookies went barely though.
Yeah, just barely. It
They
was
were
close.
honestly
It was on the very
pretty
last
even.
one.
It seemed like they like my taste better, but they like your texture better.
Yes, actually.
Yeah.
And we both had good things in both.
We
of our
both,
cookies.
yeah, for sure. Wow.
So maybe there is no one best cookie actually.
True. I feel like cookie is very like it's just all about your soul, like your soul.
Yeah, no, it's wherever your heart speaks. to.
Exactly.